continuing her stellar performance from the previous match. At si Jade De La Cruz naman ang nagtapos ng opening set. Ngayon naman sa Perpetual, Min Sapin is starting off this second set after coming off the bench.
Pero makita natin, kanina pagpasok niya, ang ganda agad nung paikot niya. Baka kasi pag, ito yung parang tinatawag nating refresher. Pag galing ka sa bench, makikita mo yung ikot eh. Makikita mo yung galaw ng kalaban. Mas alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo pagpasok sa loob.
And just like the first set, Anjo,
Abraham got the first
naman.
point. Oh, kanina first set din. Siya rin nakakuha ng first point para sa San Beda.
The sophomore. Last season, Abraham averaged 6.3 points per match. That number has definitely increased.
For sure. Kasi ngayon, Anton, meron siyang 6 points.
Ayun. Ayan na naman siya. Abraham, agresibo. Sapin with a push. Navarro with the entry. Nakaabang si Omipon. And that's a block.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng timing ngayon ng blockers ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Alam nila, they're quick on their feet. Ang bilis nilang humabol kahit na alam nilang sobrang laking threat ng middle Spikers. Itong Perpetual Lady Altas.
Right now, we're just not feeling the sense of urgency on the side of Perpetual.
Yes, they're so quiet. Hindi sila to, Anton.
Let's see kung magigising sila with this spike by Dapol. Again, Dapol coming off that career-high 35-point performance in a 5-set loss to LPU.
Which is very heartbreaking para sa kanya.
Abraham playing with a whole lot of energy. Navarro. Oh, what a setup. Pero nabasa yon ni Enrico.
Oh, taas din nung hinabol ng bola eh, para daling kay Kagalaw, ay kay Abraham. Ganda ng setup ng block.
Oh, it's actually Omipon who got the block. Dapol targeting Habakon. Bustamante. Molina back set para kay Abraham.
Wow! Abraham finding that line. Yung sinasabi natin, hindi pwedeng mabigyan ng momentum itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Mas lalo na yung mga main gunners nila, namely Habakon, Abraham, Kagalawan. Kasi kapag nagkaroon sila ng momentum, tuloy-tuloy na. Mas parang last game lang, 16 points.
Navarro. Sapin. Omipon. What a set by Min Sapin.
Imagine, medyo broken play na yon. Ang ganda rin yung adjustment na ginawa ni Omipon going for that down the line attack kahit na yung facing yung body niya sa cross court.
Min Sapin. She was on her knees when she set that ball up. Ang gumagawa nun, mga Michelle Cobb eh.
Oo.
Meanwhile, Medania gets the point para sa Perpetual. Courtesy of this kill block on De La Cruz. Back set by Molina.
Wow.
Abraham again.
Good adjustment para kay Abraham. Medyo napagay yung set niya. Buti na lang mataas yung vertical lead nito ni Abraham. Ang ganda rin. Kapag kaliwete talaga, ang hirap basahin ng palo eh. Kasi kapag kaliwete, kadalasan, opting for that cross-court attack. Pero this time, dinala niya sa down the line.
Omipon gives the lead to Perpetual.
They need more of that. They need more energy. Ito, dahil sa side ng Perpetual Lady Altas, parang hindi na sila masyadong nag-enjoy yan doon eh.
We don't know if it's all of that effort that they exerted in the loss against LPU. We don't know if it's facing a San Beda team that is not in the radar for the Final Four. Pero since they dropped that match to LPU, they should have that sense of urgency dito sa laban na to.
Tama, Anton. Pero Anton pa rin naman, kumakapit pero parang may kulang eh. There's something missing para sa side ng Perpetual Lady Altas.
You would think kasi that this would be their year. This is a team that finished 8-1 last season in the elimination round. So now, we know they're not gonna reach 8-1 with this 2-2 record.
Yeah.
At hindi pa nila nakakalaban yung Benilde. So,
At may Letran pa.
although they did lose to Letran
Yeah.
by
Yun na nga
3
eh.
points. Yun yung
Feeling ko, nagulat din sila eh. Pagpasa mo ng Letran.
by 3 sets, I mean. 9 points para kay Shai Omipon.
Siya nang tumatayong main gunner ngayon. Medyo tahimik pa si Dapol.
Dapol.
Free ball.
Molina. Pedania. Habakon breaks down the wall.
Grabe. Iba na yung kumpiyansa ng batang to. Parang hindi na rookie si Habakon. Kasi kung rookie yung kadalasan, iiwas pa niya. Drop ball yun pag may nakita siyang malaking blocker sa harap. Pero hindi. Binasag niya.
Bumapalag eh.
Oo.
Laban ko, laban.
Matapang. Island girl.
From Bislig City, Surigao del Sur. Now going back to Letran, parang sila yung naging wild card this season eh, no?
Sila talaga. Imagine mo, ang ganda ng start ng Letran. 3-0 ba?
Well, 4-1 now because they
4-1,
lost
oh,
to
yeah.
Benilde.
Oo, last Sunday.
Pero yung 4-0 start nila, yun yung best start nila in recent memory.
Since 2012.
Yeah. And when we come back, Lysel Galpo will have an update for us at courtside.
We are back in the ballgame here at the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ika nila, when it comes to playing sports, it is a matter of who wants it more. And these two heroines have definitely proven how bad they want this because they are currently 2 of our top scorers. Super rookie Angel Habakon shared with me the heartwarming story behind her love for the sport. Pag na-receive mo itong palo ko, pwede ka na mag-volleyball. These were her dad's deal as she asked him to let her play in school. Ani niya, she still remembers his face in awe as she received his attack. And from that moment, she knew she will be receiving undying support from him. Kwento naman sa akin ng top scorer and reigning MVP from the Lady Altas na si Mary Rose Dapol. Sobrang laki raw ng pinagkaiba playing this season because all teams came out much stronger due to their long preparation. Sa kabila nito, baon niya ang suporta mula sa mga taong naniniwala sa kanila to keep her motivated against tougher obstacles. Anton and Anjo?
That's a great report and a great story of how Angel Habakon started her volleyball journey.
Iba talaga nagagawa ng pagmamahal, Anton. Kahit saang bagay, basta mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, sobrang rewarding. Pero on the other hand, para kay Dapol, totoo yung sinabi niya, ang daming naging surprise teams for this season. Namely, isa na nga dyan yung Letran na pinag-uusapan natin kanina. And now, Perpetual leading para sa ating second set. Medyo nagigising na sila. Nakikita ko, nag-enjoy sila. They're celebrating. It's a good sign para sa team ni Coach Sandy.
Kasi bago nagsimula yung season, 4 na teams yung tinitignan natin. There's of course Benilde,
Yes.
LPU, Perpetual, and Mapua, who was in the top 4.
Yeah.
Letran was a question mark because Coach O wasn't able to recruit yet. Tomorrow, next season will be the season where his recruits will come in. So it was really a question mark. But they showed that they can hang with the best. And yun nga, sila ay nakapasok and they destroyed all of our preseason predictions.
Yes, that's so true. Iba talaga ang sistema ni Coach Oliver. Very evident.
Back row attack. Rookie na bumaback row.
Yes, paparap, papa-service line, papa-depensa. Present ang isang Angel Habakon. Parang hindi gumagana yung game plan ng Perpetual Lady Altas sa targetin sa service.
Hindi na
Itong si Angel, hindi napapagod.
Nakikita mo yung puka shells niya.
Oh yeah, ang cute.
Yeah, sabi niya, proud island girl daw siya. That's why she wears those puka shells while playing. Abraham. Kagalawan. Sapin will toss it up for Dapol. Sapin with a save. Dapol. Habakon. Molina to Navarro. One-handed dig. Omipon with a pass. Here's the back set. Oo. At tinapos ni Bustamante.
Ang ganda ng floor defense para sa team. Pero medyo nagkulang lang sa pagtapat. Ito ang blockers ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Pag-usapan natin ang tono. Habakon with 12 points and Abraham with 7 points. Ito yung nangyayari sa San Beda. May mga sumusulpot bigla nakatulong ni Habakon. Kung lari si Kagalawan, the next game may Abraham. Sino pa kayo susunod?
Kailangan siguro tatlo, no? Ang mga double digits at least for San Beda to take a win.
Tama. Pero on the other side, para sa Perpetual Lady Altas ang ating leading scorers, Omipon with 9 and Dapol with 5. Nabaliktad naman.
Abraham with the elevation.
Wow! Towering over Enrico.
So this is Ella Viray. I wasn't sure actually nung una if it was Iza or Ella kasi twins yan
Yes, yun na nga eh. Nakakalito.
So that's Ella Viray. Oh, naalala ko when they were playing for San Beda. They were really good. Yan yung definition of small but terrible.
Yes, sila yun. Twins are crazy powerful that time.
Yeah, tsaka naalala ko, when I first saw the twins, they were playing against Eliza Eroa and Gretzel Soltones in the finals of beach volleyball.
Yes.
In Subic. Imagine rookies tas umabot sa finals against Soltones and Eroa. Of course, Soltones and Eroa won the championship, but still, that's how the Viray twins earned everybody's respect.
Oo, rookies. So, ang dami mong tinalong teams.
Bedanya.
Good adjustment para kay Bedanya. Medyo mababa yung set. Pero nadala pa niya para sa cross-court kill na yun. Good follow-through para sa kanyang wrist action. Ganda ng lihis niya.
Sino ba kukuha noon? Kung kanina, ikaw na nakaharap eh. Oh. Nakaharap ka na sa depensa. Sugod na ng sugod. Sa malapit sa inyo, kuhaan nyo na yung, iangat nyo na yung bola. Huwag na yung sa teammates nyo. Ayun ba? Layo nyo pa.
Coach Sandy calmer this time para sa timeout na to. Nakikita niya na nagtatrabaho na itong squad niya. Medyo may kulang na lang. Pagdating ulit sa depensa, medyo nagkaka-miscommunication kung sino mag-aangat ng second ball, kung sino kukuha ng first ball. Kailangan na lang pag-usapan yun para makapitalize pa nila yung lamang nila.
This is Cha Enrico. Sapin setting it up for Shai Omipon who went down the line.
Good vision. Ganda. Nakita niya kahit na medyo late yung blocker ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Late si De La Cruz sumabol. Nakita niya na nakasag si Habakon sa gitna. Kaya open yung zone 1.
Abraham, too much spice on that spike. And Perpetual with their biggest lead of the match. They are up 16-10 as we head to this technical timeout. This is more of the Perpetual Lady Altas team that we know.
Oh, look at us, Anton. We look good. Ganda ng lighting.
Kanina lang yan, ah.
Okay, bro.
At si Mr. Pertiera galing pa sa
Land of the Rising Sun.
morning day, what do you call that? Morning shift?
Morning shift.
Morning shift.
Pero ito na nga, talking about yung totoong Perpetual Lady Altas na kilala natin. Nagpapakilala na sila ulit, bumabalik na ulit sa groove. At bumabalik na yung touch nila pagdating sa kanilang set place.
Now, Anjo, what happened to San Beda here in this set at lumaki yung lamang nitong Perpetual?
Ito feeling ko na-overwhelm sila eh. Kasi bumabalik na sa sistema itong Perpetual Lady Altas. Nahihirapan out sila magkaroon ng block rebounds. Hindi na sila masyadong nagkakaroon ng transition plays.
And I think for this, I will have to commend Min Sapin.
Yes.
Because obviously, she is the main setter, primary setter of Coach Sandy. And you would think that it's sort of a demotion if she wasn't started in this match. But here, you can see her confidence hasn't wavered.
Yun na nga, kanina pag-usapan rin natin, Antonio, na minsan bine-bench ng coaches yung main setters or main gunners sila para magkaroon ng refresher. Panoorin mo nila yung kalaban, minsan game plan yan eh. Para alam nila kung anong gagawin nila pagbalik nila sa loob ng court. Kung sino bibigyan nila ng porsyento, kung kanino pa dadaan ng blockers.
But that's a good attitude para kay Min Sapin as
Yes.
Bedanya gets the block.
Ito na, sobrang gamit na gamit si Bedanya ngayon. 2 attack points kanina galing sa kanya. Ngayon, a kill block para kay Bedanya. Napapagana.
China Castillo, sophomore, is now in wearing jersey number 5 para sa San Beda.
Medyo naratal na itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Kailangan nila ng sagot.
And that's why Castillo was sent in, being that she was one of their top scorers last year. But Shai Umipon making it look easy.
Yes, kanina Anton, panay palo si Umipon. Ngayon, going off speed. Putting that ball right in the middle para pumuntos dito sa Lady Altas.
Another adjustment para kay Coach Edgar Baroga. Number 3, Gina Espina. Backup setter, Anjo, is in.
Ito na, kailangan din ng breather. Eh. Medyo nakukulangan din si Coach Edgar sa paikot ng bola.
And she's a rookie setter. Let's see what she can do. Si Gina Espina.
So ngayon, buong momentum napunta sa side ng Perpetual Lady Altas na kaninang nasa San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
So ngayon naman si Kat Molina yung manunood ng game and visualize things from a different perspective, just like what Sapin did.
Yes, kailangan niya ng refresher.
But I am interested to see kung anong klaseng setter itong si Gina Espina.
Nito, ngayon ko lang siya nakita sa loob ng court actually.
Let's see if they can give her a good pass for a good play. Oh, Umipon!
With the help of the net, Umipon. Hindi niya na pinapalo eh. Parang Espina lang ginagawa niya sila nakatayo yung lovers. Hoping na magka-error na lang itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. And it happened.
21-13 in favor of Perpetual.
The biggest lead for this game.
Gina to Angel.
Wow, good dig by Umipon.
Dapol. That's too much runway for Dapol.
Credits din kay Umipon. Ang ganda ng depensa para sa magandang transition play at second chance point para kay Dapol.
Hindi pa tapos siya na malayo pa yan. Bumablock ka, nakaganon ka. Si Dapo lang bumablock. Sarado mo yun. Alam mo naman pa check ball yun eh. Dukot mo yung kamay mo. Ha? Jade, alam mong malayo. Abulin mo. Huwag ka na umasa may kukuha pa sa likuran. Ha? Tulong. Sipag kayo.
Coach Edgar reminding his blockers na kapag si Dapol ang papalo, ipasok natin yung mga kamay natin kasi mahilig magpa-check out itong si Dapol.
Tsaka mahirap talaga pigilan si Dapol
Oo.
pag nakabuelo.
Oo, iba yung power eh. Tsaka aggressive nung approach niya.
Oh.
Another rotation error. Pero first time para naman sa side ng San Pedro Lady Red Spikers. Napaaga yung pagkilos nila. Good serve.
Espina to Bakar. And that sails out.
Now, Perpetual Lady Altas at match point. Galing dun sa attack error ni Bakar. Medyo napataas at walang follow through sa spike.
Nakakatuwa yung mga Perpetualites dito.
Yes.
Sumisigaw, tapusin mo na.
The school spirit is real.
Oh, Bedanya, tinapos na nga.
Ayan na, natinig. Good adjustment para kay Bedanya. Hindi niya na pinaset.
It's good movement by Bedanya and activity. Perpetual dominates San Beda in set number 2. And now we are tied at 1-1. Magbabalik po kami para sa set number 3.